was that?
What's up, guys? This is Place on Things I Do, and today I am baking for you once again, bringing back the baking. I've done this 2 other times, but the mac and cheese didn't really count as baking, I guess. And Grace did most of the cake, but this is literally all me, okay? So here are the, wait, let me tell you what you're making first. Okay, so today I am making sugar-free peanut butter oatmeal cookies, and I'm gonna be guiding you guys through it. And again, I don't really cook that much. You guys should know this by now. But we will be doing this together, and I'll be helping you through a little bit. Maybe it will be successful at the end. I don't know. We'll see. So the ingredients we have is peanut butter, oatmeal, salt, measuring cups, and then vanilla. We also have the instructions right here, and I got my bowl. What we gotta do first is you want to get some peanut butter. Look at that! It's so like perfect. I want to stick my finger in it.
Stick that.
Oh, can I stick my finger?
Only a little. Hey, only a little.
I don't even like peanut butter. 1 cup of peanut butter coming right up. Okay, so now I have a cup full of peanut butter. I bet my Flash sister really enjoys seeing this right now. Anyways, shout out to you. Now I need a teaspoon of salt. Alright, pour this baby in here. Okay, so now we have 1 teaspoon of salt. Am I supposed to put this in there? Yeah. Okay. So let's pour the peanut butter in. Alright. This is gonna take a while. So now you pour the salt in the peanut butter. And I'm just gonna mix it around because I don't like seeing it all like this, so mix it around up in here. Now you got some salty peanut butter. Oh, salty. Okay, so now I need 1.5 cups of oats. So I'm just gonna fill this to 1 cup and then refill it.
Let's just put it in there.
Half of it. So now you just keep mixing it until it is actually all the way mixed together. Okay, so now since it is all put together, you have to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So now since it's at 350 degrees, the mixed ingredients in bowl, we already did that. Spoon onto greased pan and cook for 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So now I get me a spoon. I already have a spoon. And then stop putting your mix onto the pan. Okay, now since I am done with forming the cookies, we are gonna put it in the oven for approximately 20 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the okay, so this is all what the thing I'm having difficulties. So these are this is the resultant of our vector addition. Some science. This is our these are what our cookies turn into after we put it in the oven. Don't they look beautiful? They look beautiful. This one's literally a ball. Okay. Alright, my first try. Wow. That's interesting. I literally just ate salty peanut butter. It just gets more salty. It just gets, I can't swallow that. It wouldn't be that bad if it wasn't for the salt. Alright. So I'd say less salt and add vanilla. But okay, if it wasn't for the salt, I would say it's pretty good. It would taste like peanut butter fudge. Pretty much. But it's really just a salt, guys. So this isn't really a failure, it's just a mistake. I'm eating pizza because the salt is currently destroying my throat. So yeah, it's less salt.
I'm going to change it.
So not a teaspoon, okay? Not a teaspoon. But anyways, that's actually pretty much it. So for me to you, have an awesome, fun, spectacular, weird, and blessed day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please check out my social media in the description below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!